We should go see if that wheelchair's still in there. If it's even open.
And then we could do it again and take the one off YouTube because it's bad.
You just fell and you missed it.
Soccer people.
Go that way with the camera.
I should have got that little boy running and his mom chasing him.
If I had $1 million, if I had $1 million, I'd shoot that dog. Still texting?
I just asked my mom to come get me.
What about Rob?
Fuck Rob.
Got that on camera?
Got it. Ooh. People. Mirror. Oh man, it just